Organizing files and folders. Organizing files and folders helps you be more productive. On your computer, you have images, videos, audios, documents, spreadsheets, and so on. These are called files. Those files are kept in folders. Folders are used to organize files. Different people follow different methods in organizing files. Some sort files and folders by alphabetic order, while others sort them by categorizing them. Here we will discuss how you can organize your files and folders by organizing them. Let's assume we have a lot of files and we want to organize them in a folder. Create a folder, open it and create required categories. Creating required categories means creating subfolders and naming them with the category names so that you can organize them. Now move relevant files to relevant category. You can have subfolders in case you need subcategories to help you find files conveniently. For example, in this case, I have a computer class category which can be divided into two more subcategories. So I will create marks folder and a class list folder. It is always a good idea to keep your files named descriptively so that you don't have to open the file every time you want to find out what's inside. If you organize your files well, you will know where your files are and what's in the file. There are many other ways you can manage to organize your files. Just make sure you know where your file is and what is in the file without opening it. That's a way you can organize your files. Hope this helps. Assalamu alaikum.